Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news the strains in the Chinese economy are grabbing market attention today. But first, it is mostly upbeat economic news from the US. American mortgage applications were up 10% last week, and this market shows signs of stirring again. Benchmark mortgage rates slipped, with the key 30-year fixed rate down to 6.89% plus points. So it won't be a surprise to know that the housing market index extended their rebound from a year ago low, which was touched in November, and is now its best level since August 2023. December retail sales in the US came in much better than expected too. They were up 0.6% from the prior month, following a 0.3% rise in November and beating forecasts of 0.4%. It is the biggest increase in 3 months, led by the sale of cars. Year on year, they were up 5.6% and handily beating inflation, which came in at 3.4% over the same period. Adding to today's positive vibe, US industrial production also rose more than expected in December, although the bar wasn't high here. On a volume basis, it is 1% higher than a year ago. But there was a big set of important Chinese data releases late yesterday. As foreshadowed in Davos, China recorded a fourth quarter 2023 GDP expansion of 5.2%, which was marginally less than the 5.3% expected. And China's industrial production grew by 6.8% in the year to December, after a 6.6% gain in the previous month and beating market forecasts of 6.6%. It was the fastest recorded pace of expansion in industrial production since February 2022, and electricity production rose 8%, which supports the industrial production claim. However, their housing development retreat deepened in December, and new house prices fell at their fastest pace since March. Prices for pre-owned units fell faster and everywhere. Meanwhile, China's population is declining faster now as deaths rise above norms. The number of people in the world's second largest economy fell for a second year to 1.4 billion in 2023. The Chinese population started shrinking in 2022, and for the first time since 1961. Both S&P and Moody's issued separate global reports overnight for 2023 that showed sharply higher funding costs are resulting in many more corporate defaults. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today at 4.12% and up 4 basis points from this time yesterday. And the price of gold will start today down another $22 and now at $2,005 an ounce. And oil prices are softer at just under $71.50 a barrel in the US and down another 50 cents. The international Brent price is now just over $76.50 a barrel and down almost $1. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at 61 US cents and down almost another half a cent from this time yesterday. Against the Aussie, we're holding at 93.3 Australian cents, but against the euro, we're lower at 56.2 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just under 70.1 and 30 basis points lower. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.